In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zettelkasten method in Obsidian. Before we dive in, make sure you have the Obsidian app installed on your computer. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking tool that allows you to organize your thoughts and knowledge in a dynamic and interconnected way. Now, let's open the Obsidian app and explore the Zettelkasten method, which is a unique approach to note-taking that centers on transforming raw information into a web of interconnected, atomic notes. These notes fall into three categories: fleeting, literature, and permanent. Instead of storing notes like folders, the Zettelkasten method encourages you to write small, concise ideas known as atomic notes, link them together, and allow the connections to grow organically into a web of ideas. Think of it less like a traditional notebook and more like a dynamic, evolving ecosystem of thoughts. Let's start by creating 3 new notes in Obsidian. Name them Fleeting Note, Literature Note, and Permanent Note. These will serve as the foundation for your Zettelkasten system. In the Fleeting Note, you'll jot down temporary thoughts or observations. For example, you might write, "Feeling tired, maybe I need more water." These notes capture your immediate thoughts and are often ephemeral. Next, you'll want to link this fleeting note to your permanent note. Permanent notes are where you store ideas meant for long-term use, such as general principles or concepts. In this example, you could link the idea of feeling tired to a permanent note that says, "Drinking water improves focus." This creates a direct connection between your immediate observation and a broader, more enduring concept. In your literature note, you'll keep track of articles, books, or other resources that support the ideas in your permanent notes. For instance, if you've read an article about how hydration affects cognitive performance, you would summarize or reference it in your literature note. This way, your permanent notes are backed by evidence and can be further explored or expanded upon as needed. And there you have it, a simple introduction to the Zettelkasten method in Obsidian. By using this technique, you can transform your notes from isolated pieces of information into a well-connected network of ideas that builds knowledge over time. As you continue to use and refine your Zettelkasten system, you'll find that your notes become more insightful and valuable, offering new perspectives and deeper understanding of the subjects you explore. So give it a try and watch as your ideas develop into a rich tapestry of knowledge, all within the versatile and powerful framework that Obsidian offers. Happy note-taking!